Hi, I'm Holly White and I'm so excited to be collaborating with Gloss TV to show you some of my wellness routines. First and foremost, I had to bring you into my kitchen because for me, not only is this where I work, it really is where I nourish myself. And I adopted a plant-based diet over 8 years ago, and definitely at that time it was all about creating my own recipes, and I'm very grateful to have gone on and turned that into my career. And I now have a cookbook and I collaborate with various brands showing how to make plant-based recipes tasty, easy and super fun. But first and foremost, I wanted to tell you how I start my day, and there's a few things that I do. If I'm in a rush for time, I love a tiny, like a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a large pint glass of warm water. A little tip is to always have it through a metal straw, because otherwise it can damage the enamel on your teeth. Or else, if I have a little bit more time, and especially as we kind of come into the warmer months, I love celery juice. It sounds kind of crazy, and I know you might have seen it online, and I know this is something that the medical medium really champions, but for me, from a digestive health point of view, I notice such a benefit with having pure celery juice on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. And I find if there are times where I feel a bit bloated or sluggish, that's one thing that definitely makes a huge difference. So